It's Stuart from Global Trading Tools. Today I'd like to show you a brand new indicator we've got called the GTT Instrument Description Indicator for NinjaTrader. This is a great little indicator that actually an idea of a client of mine, g'day Simon, great suggestion, and was asking if our Easy Load products would show an instrument description or company name on the charts. And as a result, we've developed this great lightweight quick indicator to put on your charts. Like any indicator, to add it to your chart, do a right mouse click, click indicators and just scroll down to GTT Instrument Description, click New. We've got default settings, click OK, and it's literally added to your chart that easy. You can see here now we know that the ADP code actually is automatic data processing incorporated. Our indicator actually adds this great little toggle button that just really quick and easy, you can turn it on and off. So that's a fantastic little tool, and I'll show you a bit more about that in a second. If you want to change anything to do really with the look and feel of the text, the size of it, the location in the screen, come in right mouse click, go into your indicators, and you'll see here there's a section called Instrument Description Text Display. This is where we really customize it. So let's say, just for this example, we want to actually put it in the bottom right corner. You can see we've got a few options where to locate it. For this demo, we'll make it pretty big. Let's make it 22 so we can see it really clear. Let's change it to a red color, and you can change the opacity if you want it to fade it out a little. You can pick 5, do that. And this last option, last box down here, is just simply show the symbol if description's blank. So if you happen to have a code in your instrument manager that doesn't actually have a description entered for it, if it's one you've entered manually or something like that, then in here it just gives you an option basically if you want to still show the code in bigger letters like the other or not. We'll click OK. And you'll see down here now we've got it big red letters. It's faded out a bit there because we changed the opacity. If we set the opacity to 10, it'd be normal full color. And your toggle button works anywhere it is. Toggle button turns it on and off. So that's really fantastic. Something else I want to show here. Let's just, for this demo, I'll just change this so that opacity is really clear to see. We'll put it back top left corner. I'll put that up there. Now, when you change a code, sometimes we simply change codes on the chart here. So when we come down here, you'll see if we pick another code, you'll see now straight away it just automatically updates and sets it for us. We know you don't have to do anything, and it just automatically changes it and picks up for that particular code. These are some instruments that have been loaded through our Easy Load installers. You can see works for indices, futures. Everyone will know the ES probably, but you can see there E-mini. Same if we pick here's the Aussie dollar futures, and this is just a great example here of where we can turn it on and off to quickly see that. Obviously you can drag your slider along, but if you're finding it's behind there, again, come in. You can either set your opacity lower. If we set that to a small figure, you'll see it sort of becomes a bit like a watermark, so you can still see these levels. Obviously still turn it on and off, and naturally if you change the sizing, the font sizing here, there's so many options with the font, but if we change that just back to our normal size, change our opacity back to, we'll put it to 9. And you can see there, you can still see easy what that actually is. This is a very lightweight indicator. If you want to show it on all your charts, and every time you just open a new chart it's automatically there, what I suggest this tip is you save, you add it to one of your charts, have your chart set up how you like, and then you come in here to do a right mouse click, select templates, and you're basically saving it to a chart template. You can save it to any existing ones you want, or you can save it as default. That's what I suggest to do if you want it on every chart you open. And essentially now, if we come in here, go File, New Chart, I'll show you just really quickly. We'll pick anything here. Let's just we'll just pick a. I'm just picking anything to show you, but it's really just to show you really quick that when you open up the chart, there we go, you can see we've got brand new chart, it's automatically on there, everything's functioned as before. So hopefully that shows you just really quickly how this works. It's a great little indicator, and as I mentioned before, anyone, if you're not aware of our Easy Load Equities Installer series, we basically got products that will install and completely configure NinjaTrader in under 60 seconds for many of the world's major exchanges, including Canada, the Toronto Exchange. We just released London Stock Exchange. We've got all the NASDAQ, all of the NYSE, Amex, Aussie market, the ASX, the Indian National Stock Exchange, and more. So all of our products completely configure every code answer, maps to multiple supported data feeds, all your major ones, your free ones as well, free end-of-day data ones. And the key thing is our installers put in all of the stocks descriptions, so the codes and the fields are automatically fully configured for you, so it works, it just complements perfectly our easy load software. And so that's why we've done some great bundle deals as well. If you see on the website, you'll see we've got some great bundle deals that give this indicator away really cheap with one of the easy load installer packages. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Please check out the links below and email me at support@globaltradingtools.com if you've got any questions at all. Thanks a lot. Bye.